Hey, and welcome to another lighting breakdown. For this breakdown, I want to try something a little different. I want to try a couple of different techniques. As again, this is probably one of my favorite things to do, which is putting myself in less than ideal situations or environments and just try to get the best shot. So let's get to it. Okay, so before we get into the breakdown, I want to show you just some of the equipment. This for the key light will be the Amaran 200X, pretty much what I use most of the time anyway. I'm trying to see what dome is this. Yeah, the Amaran 120. And for the kicker light here, I'm going to be using this guy here, which is a Nanlite Pavo tube. Had this for a good while. For the other light, I'm using Amaran 60X with this spotlight attachment, which will, or a gobo or projector, has different names. But what it will allow me to do is, just change the shape of the light that gets projected onto this background right here. Okay, so let's get you. So this is pretty much what the scene is looking like, okay? Let's get us in place. Okay. Leave us there like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, wait, let's check my frame first. Okay, I'm good here. Let's get centered. All right, let's go. Okay, let's turn on this key light real quick. Actually, first, what I'm gonna do is turn off the house lights. Turn this guy off, 1, 2, and turn off this guy over here. All right, let's turn on this key light. Yeah, that's bright. Okay, let's lower the intensity of this now. Okay, it's at 80%. We're gonna bring it down to 20. Let's go to 30, maybe. 30 might be good. And again, this light is also a bicolor light, so I can change the color temperature of it. So right now I have it at 5,000. Okay, that's better. That is better. All right. Oh, I also have this honeycomb grid on it so that it can direct the light straight at me. Actually, it's not really pointed directly at me. It's kind of pointed at this bounce over here. So let's take the bounce off for a second. Okay. It's cool. Now, I want to add more dimension to myself. So what I'll do is I'll turn on this Pavo tube. Turn on. Hope it's not dead. Okay, great. Yeah, so I have it at about 30%. Color temperature is around 4,400. I could really make it the same as the key. I really could, but I don't feel like it. So now this adding more of a, so the key light is adding more of a soft wrap, and this kicker light, what it's doing is it's adding more of a rim. I'll show you. Let me just move it for a second, and you'll see if there's any difference. Off, on. Okay. Now for the back, this background here, this is it's like a 5-foot roll, which I normally use for photography, but this time we're going to use it as a backdrop. So what I'll do is I'll turn it on, and I have this projector mount on it. Let's turn this guy on. And see, it has I can also, I can shape the light. I can insert things like window pane shapes or shrubs or or greenery or trees and whatnot. I can make animals. We're not going to do that though. Okay, so yeah, so this is really about 3 lights, right? The key, this kicker light here, or the rim, and this for the background, just to add more interest, just so it's not a solid green backdrop. Now, my side here is a little dark. So what I'll do is I'll add this 5-in-1 reflector. Actually, before I put it up, let's see. This is without it. This is with it. Without it. With it. So let's clip it on real quick. These things always come in a clutch anyway, so they're pretty good. Now, monitoring myself with a Atomos Ninja V. I've had this since I started out. So overall, I like how the shot came out. There's a lot of things I could do differently, whether it's a different color backdrop or different color temperatures or whatnot. It's my first time trying this. So again, it's and what I like about it is that you can mix and match the techniques and just, and get all sorts of different looks. I like this look because, normally I wouldn't have the sides exposed. I would either turn the camera vertical so that it looks like solid green, or I would just have one long, wide, green backdrop or whatever color. But I think this adds a lot more visual interest. It's just something different. I'm just pushing myself, and yeah. Enough rambling. I'm done. Hope this helped.